Voila, I've rebooted, and you can always ask, how is it with my system? Systemctl status, and you can ask for firewall D. Nothing happens, right? Tap, 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 nothing is there. How about my Avahi thing, right? Daemon service. That's almost unreadable, but it's blue, meaning active, running. And yes, you can close the window. And let's have a look at the ArchLinux tweak tool again. What we were not able to do for now is we've changed something. We did not use the Garuda guy, right? So the EndeavourOS guy. So apply, I can do it again, but then I have to reboot again, right? So there is no firewall mention. Cool, the red thing is gone, right? The red thing is gone. Okay, we are on this one. We're using this. Look at this text, this configuration. All right. If you were wondering, all right, don't ask me. If you were wondering, ArchLinux NS switch. I hope you get the message. Go study, right? This is the NS switch, but I believe there was also a maybe I should type wiki behind it. ArchLinux wiki. There was something. Here it is. Domain name resolution, right? Go study. It's complex material, or just use a drop down, right? And see what works for you. That's the idea, basically. See what works. Now, do I see something around me? Browse network. Ooh, there they are, right? So because of the firewall gone, I can access the ArcoLinux ISO builder. That is the Samba that's running for the last 5 years. I've renamed it for you guys, right, in the project in ArcoLinux tweak tool. Called it Samba share now. And I can only go in there with my account. So Eric account exists. The login account needs to be there. It has to be an actual Linux user account. And it has to be, you can give a separate password. Samba will ask you to give a separate password. Well, you could, right? Give it another password, Samba, and the other normal account. I gave it the same, right? Don't make life difficult if you can make it simple. So my login and my Samba login, Samba password are the same, and the login, of course, is also the same. So connect. And here we have something, I don't know what image is this, probably something I shared, voila, about the new ISO that we've already built for July. So I am on this Samba share on the other computer to the left. Okay, so that's one way. Getting, if you remember the image here, what I've done now is get from, I've did it away now, this one. I went from EndeavourOS to ArcoLinux Samba, from here to here. So this one is running the Samba, the other one to the left. What if I wanted to run Samba on EndeavourOS? Okay, then there is this Samba Easy. This is not finished yet, by the way, so keep off. Samba Easy, I'll do some more work today. And this drop down will get one more. Install the Samba server. Take a look first, right? You install a Samba server if you need to share a folder and its contents in your home network, not the internet. The purpose is to create one shared folder. The current user can later access this folder from other computers. You see me do that. The easy configuration will create the folder shared in your home directory if it's not already there. Right? Otherwise it will reuse it. Follow the instruction numbers below. We recommend the easy configuration. Life can be easy, but Samba is a world of experience. I mean, it can be added to the Active Directory in Windows, etc. I mean, it is way more complex than we make it seem, right? We want it simple. A folder that's accessible for by all the computers in your network. Okay. Install Samba. Here you see what's going on. Samba, we enabled something, a service, another service. Samba has been successfully installed. All right. Next step, apply the etc Samba SMB conf. Believe it or not, Samba comes without a configuration. No configuration. So easy, ArcoLinux original. Easy. Apply selected samba.conf. Boom, it's applied. Right? And here it says how it's applied. If your name is not Eric but Joe, it will say home Joe shared. Right? If it's Patrick, home Patrick shared. What happened to my system? We only made a folder. That's it. We made a folder. I hope you don't mind, but we want to share something with the rest in our network, not the world. So this thing, whenever I put something in there and say, okay, I want to share a script that I want to move from here to here, right? Then I'll put it in here and vice versa. This is writable, readable for anybody who can log in. You need to give a password. Aha. Create a password for the current user, which is Eric, right? Eric is the current user. To be able to access the Samba server, create a password for the current user. Click. This pop-up comes. We work with Alacrity, and you type twice, in my case, my choice, the same password as my login. Keeps things simple. KISS, right? Keep it simple and stupid. Although the username is Samba uses a password separate from that one of the Linux user accounts. This is literally copy-paste from ArchLinux wiki. Okay? So I created the password for the current user. Okay, done. You can now reboot and enjoy the Samba share. Let's try if we can do it without the Samba share. Without reboot, I mean. So we're restarting SMB. By the way, I've put it here as well, because otherwise you always have to click up here. So just if you go up, restart. Bye. Advanced is not for now. Let's have a look around. Browse network. I'm afraid we have to. Let's first see what's going on. So what we've done is etc Samba and smb.conf, and I don't have Sublime Text yet. So in here we're in the work group, and down there we have here home Eric shared. It's gonna call Samba share, and it's browsable. Guest okay, yes, yes, yes. Looks good. And let's see what's going on, because now we should get something in here. So sudo systemctl status of Samba. Yeah, most common mistake I make it to, then you say Samba, right? It's not Samba we're doing SMB. Yeah, don't ask me. Voila. So failed. We need to, yep, you got it, probably reboot, right? Video number 3.